For those looking to breathe new life into their Dell PowerEdge R320, R510, R710, or T710 servers, the ATEC 192GB DDR3 memory kit is definitely worth considering. This kit packs a serious punch with 632GB modules, bringing your system's total RAM capacity up to a whopping 192GB. This upgrade is all about boosting performance. With more memory, your server can handle significantly larger workloads, run more virtual machines smoothly, and experience less lag when dealing with demanding applications. The modules operate at 1,333 MHz, PC3-10600, which is a sweet spot for these older server models, providing a noticeable improvement in responsiveness. The fact that this is ECC register memory is crucial for server environments. ECC, or Error Correcting Code, helps to detect and correct memory errors on the fly, preventing crashes and ensuring data integrity. This is especially important for servers that handle critical data and need to maintain uptime. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. ATEC designed these modules for easy installation, so you don't need to be a server expert to get them up and running. Just consult your server's manual for the correct DMM slots and channel configuration, and you'll be good to go. ATEC stands behind its products with a limited lifetime warranty, which gives peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Plus, they have a tech support team ready to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter. Overall, the ATEC 192GB DDR3 kit is a cost-effective way to extend the lifespan and improve the performance of your Dell PowerEdge servers. It's a reliable, high-capacity memory upgrade that can make a real difference in your server's capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.